What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence (AI) is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, but advancements in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of the tech industry. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Knowledge by SK NOORZAI, click on bell icon and follow on all social accounts. And let us know in comments on which topic you want us to make video. How does artificial intelligence work? Can machines think? Less than a decade after breaking the Nazi encryption machine Enigma and helping the Allied forces win World War II, mathematician Alan Turing changed history a second time with a simple question: can machines think? Turing's paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence 1950, and its subsequent Turing test, established the fundamental goal and vision of artificial intelligence. At its core, AI is the branch of computer science that aims to answer Turing's question in the affirmative. It is the endeavor to replicate or simulate human intelligence in machines. The expansive goal of artificial intelligence has given rise to many questions and debates. So much so, that no singular definition of the field is universally accepted. The major limitation in defining AI as simply building machines that are intelligent is that it doesn't actually explain what artificial intelligence is. What makes a machine intelligent? In their groundbreaking textbook Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, authors Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig approach the question by unifying their work around the theme of intelligent agents in machines. With this in mind, AI is the study of agents that receive percepts from the environment and perform actions. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Knowledge by SK NOORZAI, click on bell icon and follow on all social accounts. And let us know in comments on which topic you want us to make video.